Kajingja Hamadiv Kola, Kadei Kaba Don Jinga Day, but Kanyam ni a pair Jatban Rio, but Kadei Kajingja Shimet. Henry, Lashupan Hayaka, Tang Namar, but Don Kijingpan shit, but Halorkani, Kalapanong Sarkar, ban yet Yaki Lat Kilanti, Kumno Bantem, Yakum Kineki Jat Jingakan Art, Kaba Judan Kajinga pair Jimut, Hapadanki Art Jatban Rio. Kumban Sukudo. Kani kajingja kala jia haka arpusau tore unai tung arja arpulai bat halor kani ki pulit kila kem ya laingot ki brio bat arngot ki khna halor kajing don kti ban thom bat lute ya ka nongsong dukan hamah de khola Henry na ka daw bala pen klaya ka kum ko issue niam lingba ko ka seng ka bakerteng ka Legal Rights Observatory LRO ka bajumlian bha ban kenshat hagis nambala dab bat ban kenno ba ka te kajingja lalle da ka Khasi Students Union bat bala nang penshit na road da ka balang Presbyterian Nakalyang uba Prestone tensong uba bat kumu menteri katanat kampo ying ka sarkar jala ula batha iki pulit bakin thwet iki noyalam bat kin nongkit kam ka seng borlo angru bakani ka seng kala banum dairu na India.
In fact, when I go all the detail, I found out that in fact it was only the small misunderstanding and it has got nothing to do religiously. It has got nothing to do with any particular religion. But you see in the social media, I have seen it. They are top. And one so-called organization, LRO, lot of comments they made. And now I have given the instruction to the police department, track these people. Who are these people? I've seen the comment they made so much, which I personally feel, these people, they are not at all a true residents of India. If they are, they cannot just give such an irresponsible statement, which ultimately may lead to ethnic clashes, which ultimately may lead to religious conflict, which is so dangerous. So I've already instructed the police, and police are on the job for this.
Take the first step towards a healthier future by scheduling your consultation at the Shillong Heart Clinic located at Nongrim Hills, Shillong. Call or leave a message at 98630-50899 to book your appointment with Dr. Sunrang Bhattian Wadri, an interventional cardiologist. The clinic operates from Monday to Saturday with working hours from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.